Bakit napaka-importanting meron kang additional source of income? This is you. This is your income. But this is you with your income and your expenses. Kasi of course, kailangan mo mabuhay. Meron kang mga gastusin, kuryente, tubig, renta, toiletries, mga necessities mo. 2 years, 5 years, 10 years kang ganito at nagtataka ka bakit wala kang naiipon. Minsan kasi, mas malaki yung tagas ng tubig kumpara sa pumapasok. Kung marami yung tagas ng tubig, sa tingin mo may maiipon. That is the reality of an employee na isa lang ang inaasahang source of income. That's why this is not safe. This is not secure. You cannot overlook this situation. Kasi what if dumating yung time na yung nag-iisang source of income mo nawala? Paano na lang yun? How will this work? Pero what if aside sa isang source of income, may additional pa? Just like this example. Let's say these books are your needs, your expenses, lahat ng gastusin mo, at yung cans naman, yung sources of income. Kung isang lata lang nasa baba, pag nawala yan, of course, pagsak lahat. But if you have multiple sources of income, mawala man yung isa, at least may mga sumusuporta ka din. Mawala man ang isa, stable pa rin. That's why having another source of income is very important. Why? It provides security, better living, and of course, peace of mind. Kaya let's not be hypocrites at sabihin, kontento na ako dito sa buhay. Kontento ka na sa isang source of income. Kasi clearly, contentment is not the point. And clearly, that is not enough if you want your family to live the simple life you're dreaming, a better one. We can still be grateful while striving to live a better life para sa mga mahal natin sa. Kaya kabayan, think twice, be wise. Follow me for more finance.